After leaving his headquarters at La Muris in 2014 to assume the helm of the famous Pavillon Ledoyen, where he grabbed his third star in a few months, the dreamy Yannick Aleno also scored a hat trick of stars, making him the pin-up of the restaurant industry. During the competition to determine the world's 50 best restaurants, the title of the best restaurant in Paris was bestowed upon L'Arpege, a restaurant that celebrates the humble vegetable. Alain Passard, a French chef, has been praised for his innovative take on the minimalist and deconstructivist techniques of food preparation, both of which have since been adopted by other chefs in their kitchens. In connection with the world's 50 Best Restaurants Awards, we should mention that Septime, the winner of the Sustainable Restaurant Award, was also included on this year's list, moving up to the 35th position. The neo-bistro Septime has swiftly gained an almost cult-like following as a result of its dedication to being environmentally responsible and serving meals at costs that are accessible.